Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I just created delete question part of this project. If you are not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. I'm not going to create all student result part because first the student need to submit quiz or exam. After that we can see the results. That's why I am going to student module and I'm going to create a new JFrame for that. Okay. So you can see this one is our student module. When we click on this, it will open a new JFrame. So I'm going to design a new JFrame for this student module. So first we need to create here a new JFrame. Now, so here we are going to create a JFrame student details. Okay. Now you can see our form has been created. Now let me increase the size to 1366, 768. My screen size. After that, we are going to the properties. And here I'm just removing the min max and close button from this form, so undecoded. Okay, let me click on close. After that we are going to insert here the icon of the student. Okay, here just inserting the icon whose name is index student icon. Yeah, student icon png. After that we are removing the label name from this, and one more here label I am going to insert. This one is written is fill up the form. Okay, and we are increasing the size and font of this. Okay, or changing the font of this. Okay, so here just making it as bold and making it as 40, and we are also making it as this one font. Okay, let me click on okay, let me close this, let me make it little bit up. After that we just need to display let me check the size of this frame. Yeah, this one is same. Now we need to display the date and time. Date, sorry, we just need to display the date, so I'm just writing date, and here we just need to another label to display that date. Okay, and going to the properties, we are increasing the size of this label, making it as bold 20. Okay, just close this. After that here we need two buttons. The first one is for the get back to our index page. So here I'm just using back student png image. Here you can see this one, and in this I'm just writing here back. Okay, and this text size we are also increasing here. Going to the properties, I'm making it as bold 20. Okay, 20. Okay, just close this and let me place it here. Now one more button here, we need to close this form. So going to the properties, I am using here close png image in it, and let me read this text and remove this, and let me place it at the top of side here. Okay, now here we need a separator. Okay, so I'm just moving to string menu here. You can see there is a separator option. Let me place it here perfectly on this form. Let me increase the size to the max of this form, so the size is 1366. Okay, let me increase the size. Okay, you can see this one perfectly fit. Okay, now here we need to take the details one by one. So first details we are taking is the roll number from the student. So for that we need to place here the label one by one. We are going to place it roll number. Okay, after roll number we are placing here the another label, is that one is for name. Okay, after that we another label we are placing here, that one is a father name. Okay, after father name we are placing another label, that one is for the mother name. Okay, and after mother name we have to get the details for the gender. So here I'm just placing here gender. After gender, one by one we are inserting all the details. All the label name here. Contact number. Let me read this text. Contact number. Okay. And after contact number, we want to take the details that email. Okay. After email, we want to take the details for the 10th standard marks. Okay, or all what about 10th. So I'm just writing 10th. After 10th, we need to get the details for the 12th. Okay, so I'm just writing a 12th. Okay, after 12, we have to take the details for the graduation, and this one is for graduation. Okay, and after graduation we also need to take the address. Okay, so I'm just placing it address. Okay, you can see now for this we also need one by one the fields. You can see 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, and for these we also need here one by one we are going to insert the field for this. Okay, text field first we are placing for this, and for the other we are also one by one placing it for others. Name for father. Okay, for mother name. Okay, it should be a little bit up. After mother name we want to take the gender, so for that we are using combo works here. Okay, let me make a little bit up. Now after gender we also need a text field here. That one is for the contact, and after that we need another text field for the email, and after that we need three text fields for this 10th marks. Okay, 1 2 and 3 text field we need here, and for the 12 we also need here three text fields. Okay, for 12 we also need three text fields. One by one we are placing it here, and for the graduation we also need here three text fields. Okay, if you've seen my quick overview of my project, then you can understand why are we using the three text field here. So first thing is we are going to increase the size this all the labels. So I'm selecting this all the label from here one by one, and going to the properties I'm increasing the size of this. So we are making it as bold 20. Okay, let me select this 20. Clicking on OK, you can see the size has been increased. Okay, after that we just need to increase the size of this. So let me select one by one. Let me make it a little bit down. Okay, one by one we are going to select this. Selecting all fields. Okay, going to the properties, I am making it as bold 20. Okay, close. Now okay, we just make little bit need to make little bit of space in this form. So let me select this all and make it little bit down here. You can see now. Okay, we also need to make little bit of space in this. Now you can see we place little bit of space. Now let me one by one increase the size of this. Let me make it as 300. Okay, let me make it 290, not a problem. Okay, one by one we are increasing the size of this all. Okay, father name it also need to be 290. We're increasing the size of this all. Okay, items should be also increasing the size. After the contact number size is also increased. After the email address we are also increasing the size of this. Okay, one by one. And after that we just need to increase the size of this one also. So first we are pasting little bit right side, and after that we are increasing the size of this field first, making it as 275. After that we are moving little bit right the 8, and we are also making it as 275 here, and we are increasing the size of this field is to the little bit, making it as 500. Okay, and after that one by one we are also going to do for all others. Okay, and here I'm just making it 275, and here okay, it's automatically get increases, not a problem. Let me decrease this, let me make it as 275. Let me increase the size of this also, not a problem. And we are also increasing the size of 13, so I'm just making it as this one size. And we are also doing the same for the text field 15, increasing the size, making it 275 and making it 275. Let me select this 6 and let me make it little bit right. Okay, now the last field, this one is our 16. So here we just need to increase the sizes to max of this frame. So I'm just increasing the sizes to this one 1128, and after that we just need to save this. So for that we are placing here a button. Okay, and in this button I'm inserting an icon. That one is our save. Okay, and clicking, sorry, that one is the wrong save icon. Okay, let me close this. After that, okay, let me move a little bit down, and in this we just need to write here save and next. Okay, let me increase the size of this. Let me also make it as bold 20, bold 20. Okay, just close this. After that we are increasing the size of this, we are making a little bit bigger. So let me make it at the center. You can see, let me make it a little bit right center of this page. Okay, you can see. Now the first thing is we also need to do is we also need here some details. We just want to display some details. So for that here we just need to place a text area. So I'm just placing a text area here, and in this I'm just going to increase the size little bit, and let me increase the size it, and we just want to write it here. So I'm just already have some text, so I'm just directly going to copy it. Whatever you want to write you can directly write it here, and also want to increase the size of this. Okay, so I'm just going to the properties, making it also bold 20, bold 20. Okay, let me close this, let me make little bit small. Okay, you can see it perfectly fit in our screen. Now after this we just want to add background image. So for that we are going to setting the layout to absolute layout, and you can let me check out the form has been changed, no change. After that we are going to insert here label. I just place it here, going to the properties I am selecting an image. So page admin, not the page background student, we are selecting the image, and I'm just placing it perfectly on this form. Okay, now you can first we are going to remove, double click on this. You can see here the label, I'm just clicking on backspace. You can see this one is removed here, and let me save it. You can see our front-end part has been completed, but we also need to change a little bit in it, like we just need to remove this text field. Okay, one by one we are removing this, and oh sorry, that one is event has been generated, not a problem. Let me edit this text and remove this, and we also need to remove that event. So I'm going to the properties and event. Here you can see the event has been generated. Let me remove this, and let me click OK, remove, and let me click on OK. Let me close this. After that, mother's name, let me remove this. And for the gender, we are going to the properties and setting the item values. Okay, let me delete this all. Male, female, others, other. Okay, let me click on OK. You can see it get changes now. Now first we are going to remove the contact. After that we are removing this email, and here in the 10th and 12th and graduation we need placeholder. But first we are going to write a one by one. Here in this we are writing the text inter university name. Okay, let me copy this and let me paste it in this field also, and in this field we are also need same. Okay, after that we are just need to write in the text field 8. So here we are taking the percentage, so enter percentage. Okay, let me copy this and paste it in this field also. Let me paste it here, let me paste it here. Okay, and this one is not a placeholder, we also need to write the code for the placeholder. First follow these steps, after that I will explain you how to make it as a placeholder. Okay, enter pass out year. Okay, after let me copy this and let me paste it in the field number 12, and in the field number 15 also. Let me paste it here. Okay, now the last one is for the address. So we just need to remove this, and one thing, select this all the six, this one, this one, this one, and percentage, and this enter pass out here. And going to the properties, first we are changing the color of this text, so we just need to here for ground, and this we just setting this color. I guess this one is 1533. Okay, you can see, and you can see this is look like a placeholder, but still this one is not a placeholder. This one is just like a text, we just need to write the code. So you can see this one is the fronted part has been completed. So let me run this and let me check out that fronted part is actually completed or not. So you can see here fronted part has been completed. So back button is also not any button is not working. So fronted part has been completed. Now we have to write the codes for the backend. So let's start. Now the first thing is we just need to display the date here. So just moving to the source, and we're also disabling the J text area editable false. So first we are setting the editable false. Okay, and I'm just writing false so that a student cannot edit this area. Okay, after that we are displaying the date here. So here just need to write simple date format. Here you can see after the d format we are taking a variable d format equals to new simple, we are taking a date format, and in this we just need to write d small d, after that capital M, the small by. Okay, after that, and after that we are just writing date equals to new date. Okay, and after that we have to let me import here import JavaSQL date. We just imported it, not a problem. Okay, after that we have to display this date in level 4. So I'm just writing j level 4. We are selecting j level 4 dot set text. Okay, set text, and in this d format dot format, I'm just writing format, and in this we have date. Okay, it's showing error, let me check it out. Okay, so let me remove this, and I'm just writing import java.sql. Okay, After that, we are importing one more package. Import Java dot package. We are importing project package, the connection provider class, and it's showing a still error. Let me check it out. No suitable constructor found update argument. So let me change it. So here I'm just importing import java.util, and in this I'm just importing date here. You can see the error get resolved. After that, let me move to this page. And after that, we need to write the codes for the back button. So I'm just moving to the event action performed. And in this, we just need to write here set visible false, set visible false, and we have to set the new visible is our index page. So index and set visible true. Okay. And after back button, we just need to write the codes for the close this JFrame. So we are just going to copy this code from the index page. Okay, we already written that code. For that, you can see this one is a int a equals to JOption pan show confirmation. I'm directly going to use it. I'm just moving to the action of that button. Okay, action performed. You can see I'm just going to copy it here and importing the suitable importing for JOption pan. Okay, and you can see this is also started working. So let me check it by this, run this. Okay, let me run this. Okay, it takes few seconds. You can see date is working 352020. Let me click on back button. You can see, okay, you can see this one is moved. Let me click on okay. We did not connect the student with that page, so let me click this also. So let me move to the index page. Here just need to double click on this. You can see we will move to the here, and here just need to write set the visible false, and after that new student details dot set visible true. Okay, okay, this one is get connected. Index page is also connected. Now we have to again move to the student details. Now we have to write the codes for this placeholder. So one by one we are going to write for this. First we are going to generate the event. That one is focused gained. Okay, this one is generated one by one. We are going to generate for this focus gained. Okay, in this sequence you just need to generate. Okay, because the text is same, that's why we are using that focus gain. Let me copy this text. Okay, let me move it again here, and you can see 3 has been focus gain generated. Now we have to write the codes in it. So first we just need to write here if j text field, this one is I guess 7, yeah, 7 dot get text dot equals double quotes enter. Just write the name here, and in this we just need to write here j text field, and we just need to write 7 and dot set text, and in this double quotes nothing, and after that j text field again 7 dot set foreground color. We are just color we are setting here that that color is new color, and I'm just writing 0 0 comma 0 comma 0. So I am just copying this code in 2 more here. You can see in the field 10 and field 13. Okay, we just need to import this. So let me import. Okay, so just me paste it, and let me import the package, suitable package for this. So let me go to the top of that, and here I just need to import java.awt.color. Okay, we just need to import this color. Okay, and here color, you can see. Let me move to the little bit down. Here you can see all the error get automatically resolved. Now we have to change the field name. So here I'm just changing to the 10. So one by one we are going to change it. 10, 10. Okay. And for this we are just changing to the 13, 13, 13 and 13. Okay. You can see. Now we have to do same for this event focus gained, focus event focus gained. We are generating events for this. Okay, event focus. Okay, this one is already been generated, so let me move to the next. Focus gained. Okay, the code is same, but we just need to copy this text. Let me copy this text and let me use it here. And okay, let me copy this here and just need to copy this text, this code here and paste it here. And just let me change this from here. Let me remove this and copy this enter percentage to here. Okay, in here. Okay, let me paste it here and let me copy this code in all others, like two others. Okay, 11, and this one is also okay. Now we just need to change the name of this. So this one is for the 8, and here we just need to change it for the 8. We also need to change to 8. Okay, and after that this one is for the 11, and this one is for 11, and this one is also 11. Okay, and after that you can see this one is for the 14, 14, 14, 14. Okay, now we again moving to design section, and here we just need to write for this event, and again we are generating focus gain, and again we are just here again event focus gain. Okay, generating the event for this and for the pass out event focus gain. Okay, now here we are again moving to up, and I'm just going to copy this code here. Let me copy this, paste it in the this, and after that we are going to copy this text from this field. I'm just copying. Make sure that your text is same, otherwise placeholder will not work. Okay, so just let me remove this and paste it here. And this was a field 9. Okay, so 9. I'm just writing 9 here. Just writing 9. Okay, 9. Okay, let me copy this and let me paste it in two more. Okay, you can see paste, paste, and again we just need to change the 12, 12. JText with 12, and this one is a 15, 15, and this one is for 15, and this one is 15. Okay, you can see focus gain we having write the course, but after that focus loss we need to write. Focus lost we are generating one by one for the focus lost event focus lost, and again we are generating for this focus lost. Okay, okay, we just write the code in focus lost. Okay, okay, that one is we just write the codes in the wrong way, so we just need to change it little bit in it. Okay, this okay, let me change, move to little bit up. Let me search. You can see this one is code here we just written, so we need to write the code in this focus gain. Okay, so this one is our focus gain, the field for the 13, and we already okay. So here in this first we are going to write the code for focused lost. Okay, so let me move to the field number 13. Okay, for this we are first writing the code here focus lost. Okay, if j text field, and this one is our 13, I guess, 13 dot get text dot equals, and that should be null, or you can say nothing in it. In that case we just need to write j text field in the 13. We just need to write here set text and in this we are just going to write enter university name. So let me copy that text. You can see this one is, you just need to write, make sure the text is correct, otherwise it will not work. Okay, and j text, we are setting also the color of that. So 13 dot set foreground. Okay, foreground color, you can see a new color we are setting here, color 153 comma 153 comma 153. Okay, this one is code for the focus gain and this one is code for the focus lost. Okay, so let me copy this and let me move again to our down, and here you can see focus lost. For here I just need to copy this code same as it is code. Okay, and we just need to change the text field name. Okay, 7 7 7. Okay, we just need to move to this 10. Here I'm just writing 10 10. Okay, now again we are moving it here. Now again we are generating the event focus lost, focus lost. You can see we are generating for the focus lost. Okay, and after that we just need to copy the same code for this three, but in little bit change in the text. So here we just need to copy this text enter percentage. So let me copy this and let me change it enter university name to enter percentage. Okay, just let me copy this and let me paste it here. One more time in here, and after that we just need to change the field's name. So this one is for the 8, and after that this one is also 8. After that this one is 11. After that we having field I guess 14. Okay, 14, and this one is also 14. Okay, now the last we have to set the place this one. So we are also generating for the focus lost. One by one we are going to do that. Event focus lost, focus event focus lost. Okay, so again we just move little bit up and I'm just pasting it code here. Okay, and in this we just going to again to here and just copy this text Ctrl C, you can see, and let me change enter percentage to enter pass out here. After that just copy this code in all on others too, paste, and here also I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now we are moving it little bit up, and here just need to change the name of that. So this one is for the 9. Okay, this one is 9. Okay, after that we are just changing it to 12. Okay, so here 15. So our placeholder part has been completed. So let me run and check out this out. Okay, so let me click on this. It's working. So I'm just writing CBSE. Okay, it's working. Let me check out this 50. Let me check it out one by one. Okay, just 2103. Okay, let me check it out all. It's working or not. You can see it's working. Okay, so our placeholder part has been completed. Now we have to just need to write the save and next button. Okay, so let's start. Let me close this application. Okay, now we have to write the codes for the save button. So I'm just moving it here. Let me make it right, and event action performed. Okay, and here we just need to write, before writing this we just need to create a table. So for that we are just moving to the Mysql database 1 2 3 4 5 6 my database password. I'm just clicking use. Our database is QE quiz exam management system, and in this we just need to create a table with these fields. You can see that I already provided this query in our description. So just go there and you get the query. Okay, and you can see the fields roll number, name, father name, mother name, gender, contact number, email, 10th university name, you can see 10th percentage, you can see all. After that, at last you see the address, and at last you also seeing a marks, and here I'm just setting the marks initially at a 0. Okay, so let me copy this query, and so here I'm just copying this, and let me click on enter. You can see table has been created. Let me show the description. Student. Okay, here you can see all the details: roll number, name, father name, mother name, gender, contact number, email, 10th university, percentage pass out, 12th university, percentage pass out, graduation, and you can see all the details, okay, of the column. Okay, after that we just need to write here the codes. So first we have to take the variables. Okay, roll number we are taking, and j text field, this one is we are taking from the text field 1. Okay, dot get text. So let me copy this 17 more time, because we need here 17 a total 18 variable. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Okay, so let me make it as perfect. Now we are going to change variable name one by one. So after roll number, the next is our name. Okay, so I'm just copying it here, and if you need the query, just go to description. I already written this query there. Okay, and name, after name, father name. Okay, let me copy this, let me paste it here. After father name, the next one is for the mother name. Okay, so let me copy this one by one for the mother name. Okay, and we also need to change this field we are taking it. We'll do it later. Okay, so first we need to change this gender, mother name after the gender. So gender is a combo box, we are taking details from the combo box, so we just need to change it. So string, and here we just need to write j combo box dot get selected item. Here you can see selected items we need to select. Okay, after gender we just need to copy the contact number. Okay, let me paste it here. Contact number, after contact number, the next is email. Okay, let me paste it here, email. Okay, email, after email, 10th university name. Okay, so let me paste it here, 10 university name, and after that 10th percentage. One by one we are going to do that. Percentage, after percentage, passing out of 10th class year, you can say, and I'm just removing it one by one. And after 12th university name, let me copy this and let me paste it again here. Okay, let me move a little bit down. You can see one by one error get automatically resolved. 12 percentage. Okay, after percentage we just need to 12 pass out year. Okay, so I'm just writing 12 pass out year, and after pass out we have to be graduation university name. Let me copy this and paste it here. And after graduation person name we having percentage, so let me change it, percentage. And after graduation percentage we have to take year, you can see. And after that we have to address. Okay, and address, and after address at last we need to insert the marks, or so we are taking a variable as a marks. Okay, and we just don't need any text field, we just need here to insert 0. So I'm just setting it to the 0. Now let me move it again at the top, and you can see for the name 2, text field 2 we are using, for 3 we are 3 using, for father name we are using 3, for mother name I am using 4, and for the contact number I am using 5. Let me check it that we are following the correct sequence or not. Contact number, let me go to the properties. It should be 5. Okay, you can see this one is 5. Okay, after 5 we just need to write for the email, this one is 6, and after that we having 7 for the 10th university. After that we having 8 and 9. One by one we are following the sequence. 10, and this one is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and the last one is 16. Okay, so you can see we are able to store these details in our variables. Now we have to insert these details in our database. So for that try catch block, we just need to write first try catch block to suppress the exception. Try catch, and in this exception e, so I'm just writing, and connection con equals to connection provider dot get con. Okay, and after get con we just need to display prepared statement. PS equals to con dot prepared statement, and this one you are selecting, and after that in double quotes we just need to write the query insert into, okay, into student and the values. Okay, and in this we just need to write 18 question mark. Okay, so I just need to copy this and paste it here. 2, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, after that we just need to write here ps dot set string, and I'm just writing string and this first, and I'm just need to write roll number. Okay, and let me copy this. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 time. So this one is a total 18. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, and after we also need to change the name here. You can see name. After that we are inserting, after roll number we are inserting name. After that we are inserting father name. After father name we are just inserting mother name. Okay, mother name, and after mother name we just inserting gender. Okay, after gender we are inserting here contact number. After contact number we are just inserting email. After email we are inserting here 10th, so 10th university name. After university we are inserting for the percentage 10th percentage. After 10th percentage we are inserting the passing out year, so passing out year. After passing out we are just inserting 12 university name. After percentage, after that we are inserting percentage. After percentage we just need to insert here passing out year. After that we are inserting graduation university name and the graduation percentage, and at last for the graduation passing out year. After that for the 17 we are just inserting the address, and after address we are inserting marks. Okay, so one more line of the code we just need to write here. ps dot execute update here, and it will store in our database. Now if any error generated, so in that case we are just writing in the catch block show message here, dialog null. Okay, and when it will save, it will move to the next page. So that page is instruction student page. I will explain in next video. First let me execute this, and we also need to transfer data, or you can say roll number, from this page in next page, like instruction page. So I will explain you in next video all that part. So let me run this and let me check out it's working or not. Okay, it's running. Now first I'm writing the roll number to 10025. After that I'm just writing name Gaurav Kumar, and after that we are writing Sunil Kumar. I'm just writing Nisha Kumari, and I can select the gender, male I'm just selecting, and roll number, mobile number, sorry, I'm just entering here, and after that I'm just writing email address. Okay, after that we just need to write the CBSE university name, and percentage I'm just writing 80, and pass out 2010. Okay, 2010 I'm just writing here. CBSE I'm just writing, and the percentage I'm writing 58, like we are selecting 2012, and after that university name TU I'm just taking, and just select to 75. Okay, and just writing 16. Okay, after that here we just need to write the address Patna, Bihar. I'm just writing India. Okay, let me click on save and next. It's saved, but we did not do anything, so let me close this application and let me check it out. Okay, this one is for the description. Let me select from student. Okay, so you can see all the details of that. Okay, so let me run it again and fill up the form, and there's I just paste a pop-up message successfully updated. Okay, I will remove this. Okay, the confirmation, you can see I'm just so message I'm displaying here, null, successfully updated. Okay, so let me run this again. Let me fill this form. You can see the details. Let me click on save and next. You can see it successfully updated a pop-up message. So you can see it's showing that it's successfully updated. So let me check out the database. You can see there's a 100225 and 100226. You can see the marks is 0 right now because quiz has been not submitted. Or so in the next video I'm going to create a new JFrame for instruction of the student. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.